In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change invoice logos in Xero. Branding your invoices with the right logo makes your business look polished and consistent. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Xero, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share quick tips so your logo looks great every time. First, log into Xero. On the dashboard, click Sales, then Invoices. Open any invoice. We're not sending it, just using it to reach the branding area. Inside the invoice, find the More Options icon, the three dots near the top right. Click that, then choose Invoice Settings. Xero will take you to the page where your branding themes live. A branding theme controls how your invoices look: logo, fonts, layout, and colors, so changes here affect any invoice that uses that theme. Locate the branding theme you want to update. If your organization has more than one, choose the one linked to the invoices you send most often. On that theme, click Options, then select Change Logo. A file picker will appear. Choose your new business logo from your computer. For best results, use a high-resolution PNG or JPG. A transparent PNG often looks clean on both light and colored headers. Keep it crisp, not too small, and with a bit of padding so it doesn't feel cramped. After the upload finishes, Xero shows an updated branding preview. Take a moment to check alignment, spacing, and clarity. Make sure the logo contrasts well with the header color and is legible at typical print and PDF sizes. If it looks oversized or pixelated, adjust the source image and upload again until you're happy with it. When the preview looks right, don't forget to save your changes. Click to save the branding theme so the new logo is applied. Without saving, your invoices will keep using the old logo. That's it. Your branding theme now carries the updated logo, and invoices that use this theme will reflect your new look. If you maintain multiple branding themes for different brands or regions, repeat these same steps for each one. With a few clicks, your customer-facing documents will match the rest of your brand, giving your invoices a professional finish that's consistent across every client and every send.